Welcome back, YouTube. So we're gonna the AC is not blowing cold. It's blowing kind of cold, and kind of cold is not good in the Florida weather. So we're gonna go to the truck stop across the street, take a little walk, and we're gonna go get some Freon, and then we're gonna clean the filters. And this is like a how-to, so stay tuned.
Got it.
Big joint.
We got the charger.
See cashier. She need to take a picture of it. That's the one we need. That has everything, so I don't have to buy, because this is like basically 2 cans.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And then you have this. You have to buy this, and then it doesn't have the gauge. I need the one with the gauge, so I know if it's overfilled or not.
Bet. So we got
what is that?
Next gas over here. You taking a loan out on your house to get this?
Huh?
You taking a loan out to pay for this thing?
Yeah.
This is expensive, right?
$106.98. You want them in a bag or something?
Sure. Break through the goddamn bags. Alright. Hello?
No, I don't know, way back.
Hey, when we're gonna get the Mustang up and running?
The camera.
We're gonna drain it. Get her done.
Get her done.
Drain it.
I know what's
Like
wrong
my
with
bank account.
it. It got no Freon in it.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no Freon. Yeah, I'm the cigarette guy. Cigarito. You know? Coming at you, babe. Coming at you. Welcome back, YouTube. So, I hooked up the refrigerant. It's full, so that's not our problem. See? So, I think I know what the problem is, so stay tuned. Alright, so under here, under your glove compartment, there is your blower. Okay?
For all trucks or?
Yeah, for all trucks. So basically, under this one, there's filters under here. I forget if there's 1 or 2. I think there's 2. And they need to be cleaned. And there's, it looks like a radiator. It's where the Freon goes through. Those things get clogged up with dirt. So in here, there's probably a lot of dirt. So you can't see it. We're gonna take this whole thing down. So there's 2 bolts. It's very simple. Take this down here like this. This is just regular pre-maintenance, and this was gonna save you a couple dollars of just spending all your money at the TA or something. And I can already tell there's a lot of dirt in those filters. I can see it from here. So that's our problem. No flow. Oh, mad dirt.
Chips.
Chips. Okay. So here's your blower. Here's your blower. And here's your filters. Look at this. Oh yeah. Oh, that's wow. And I changed this like 7 months ago. Wow.
Looks like a
That's so bad.
like the dryer filters.
Wow, dude. No wonder why it's not blowing. There's no flow. So, oh, it got clogged in the bottom there. I'm seeing it now.
Here's the air gun.
Wow, look, hold on. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Of course it's not gonna flow. No wonder why. I'm surprised we still had AC, to be honest. So let me
Did it catch fire or what?
No, I can't catch fire. It's gonna mess up your AC unit. All right, so let me go get the new filters, because I do have them. I always carry some in the truck.
Oh, so you can't clean them, huh?
You can, but why clean them? You know, they're already deteriorated, and These only cost like $10 at the Freightliner dealerships. Look at this, bro. Look at this. This is wow. I've never seen them that bad, and I changed it like 7 months ago.
Okay.
So basically, I buy these on eBay for I think I paid $7 each for these.
The
So
Universal or what?
yeah, Universal is Freightliner shit. So Western Star's Freightliner. All three trucks are about the same. So see, so it's nothing.
Let's see the before and after. Let's see, look at the brand new one and look at the dirty one side by side. Flip it over. Yeah, that's dirty.
This side's not so bad, but when you go like this, you know, like of course it's not gonna have flow, bro. Look at this. This is so bad. This is the worst I've ever seen it. I'm surprised we had AC, to be honest, bro. You know? So, yeah, stay tuned. So basically, these just slide in here like this. You know what I mean? And then, basically, in that show.
Alright, so the filters it wasn't the filters either?
No, filters were bad, but my evaporator's leaking, so.
And there's no way you can see that on camera, right?
No, it's this, it's behind here.
Yeah, too dark.
Basically, don't have AC, but it's not gonna be working to its full potential.
Okay, what are the steps you can do to diagnose it?
My new truck. Basically check your Freon first. See if your compressor, the clutch is engaging. If your clutch is engaging, it's not electrical. If your Freon's low, the clutch won't engage. You know, there's many steps to this. Check your filters. Filters are clogged. It's gonna throw hot air. And this one was clogged. But we have an evaporator problem.
So how do you fix the evaporator? Or is that not repairable?
Yeah, it's repairable. You can't rebuild it. You gotta buy a new one.
And how much that's gonna run you?
A couple $100 if you do it yourself.
Okay.
So we're gonna change it and see how. Look at this came out of the filter.
Wow.
So you know what I mean. So it's blowing colder, but I see my evaporator is leaking a little bit. So that's the first sign of it's gonna go. And if once it goes, it's not gonna work properly. You know. But she's blowing. The back is blowing real cold.
Oh yeah.
So she's blowing. She just it's just unfortunately we found a problem that we got to fix before, you know, better to fix it now than wait until 110-degree weather and the AC is broken.
That's no bueno.
I don't know. All right, stay tuned. Please like, share, subscribe.
All right.